Boy, Big Jig, Ice Rick, Talk to Jig podcast. Hey, I got 5 Milwaukee clubs that used to crack. Part 1. Don't argue with me. Number 1, Questions Nightclub. Y'all know I used to love Taco Tuesday. Used to be off the chain. Line way around the corner, way. People parking all in We Energy parking lot. Number 2, I'm going to go with The Escape. Rest in peace to The Escape. It used to be lit. Traffic used to be cracking bad. Line long. Big cars out there. Big traffic is going down. The end. Number 3, I'm going to say 618. 618 on Water was lit. You know, had big boy ACG boots on in the snow. Going through that door. Fresh to death. Number 4, I want to say Textures Nightclub. Textures was lit on Sundays. Man, you had to be there. Number 5, I'm going to say Butt Naked Mondays at Passions. Lit bad.